Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Dart key fob. For many vehicles, programming a new key fob can be a simple DIY task. However, for the 2016 Dodge Dart, the manufacturer designed the key fob to require specialized diagnostic equipment. This means a simple at-home procedure is not available for this specific model. Since self-programming isn't an option for your 2016 Dodge Dart, you'll need to seek professional help. The most common and often cost-effective solution is to contact a certified automotive locksmith. They possess the specialized diagnostic equipment required to link your new key fob to your vehicle's system quickly and efficiently. When you contact a locksmith or dealership, be prepared with your vehicle's information, including the VIN. It's also wise to confirm that your new key fob is the correct type for your 2016 Dodge Dart. Always inquire about the programming cost upfront to avoid any surprises. This preparation will make the process smoother. Once your professional has programmed the new key fob, thoroughly test all its functions before leaving. Verify that the lock, unlock, and any other buttons operate as expected. If you encounter any issues, address them immediately with the technician. And for a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.